It's a real great pleasure to be here today. We've really been looking forward to this moment of presenting our final results to you from the CIRCit project. So what is the CIRCit project? It's a Nordic project on circular economy, and it's engaged researchers, consultants, and over 70 companies over the last 3.5 years in the project of creating methods and tools for circular economy transition. And the tools, they are science-based, which build on top of our 25 plus scientific publications which we have out there in journals and conference proceedings.
It's been hard work, guys.
It's been a lot of hard work, you bet. Yeah, so this may look shiny, but there's been a lot of work behind there, that's for sure. The first focus area for us to look at today is circular economy sustainability screening.
And sustainability screening for circular economy focuses on providing a logic for understanding how to measure sustainability performance of circular economy in its early development stages.
And the next activity is about business modeling, right?
It is, and what we often see is that in order to companies to really reach a big innovation when implementing circular economy, they need to look strategically at it.
It's tricky,
There's a business case.
There's a business case long-term. Yeah. Companies have to think long-term. That's the secret. I expect to put your hands on the tool, some of the tools that we have developed in this focus area.
And now it's time to move from business model innovation to product development and design.
This focus area is about combining circular economy, which the project is about, and also, let's say, the traditional product development value, where you usually focus on quality, cost, and delivery. So we want to consider circularity aspects into the product development.
What this focus area actually looks into is how companies can actually take advantage of that for monitoring products during the entire lifetime, and by doing that, extending the lifetime of those products.
So it's essentially operationalizing it and making it, increasing the potential.
How do we close the loop and make sure we don't go the old linear way and see what opportunities there are to do that?
Yes, we have found in total 9 recirculation strategies for existing products, and I'm going to talk about this in the workshop in the afternoon. And it is about identifying and evaluating different recirculation strategies and selecting one that can be used for a product that has reached an end of a use phase, or maybe after several recirculation and end of life.
Let's talk now about collaborating and working for a circular economy.
By creating a new circular value chain, it can create new opportunities. It can increase the possibility to actually successfully implement circular economy. Mm-hmm. It can, for example, allow for new value propositions and value offerings.
So what I will just show you here, moving a little bit away from the stage, this is where we've been all day.
Thank you to every one of you out there in the audience sticking around on an online workshop from 9 o'clock until 16 minutes past 4 our time is quite a feat. You should get a certificate, but we've given you some books instead. But many thanks for coming, and we really wish you the best of luck with your circularity and your transition to circularity, and please keep in touch with us, and many thanks to all of you from all of us. Thank you.
Thank you so much.